Hey everyone, hope you are having a fantastic day. Today, I'm back with another analysis on Bitcoin's chart and on the market in general, and I'll be covering my plans, my personal plan on what I'm doing the next 3 months. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, looking at the chart for Bitcoin, on the weekly chart, you can see that price managed to stay above the 21 and 34 EMAs, which is a very good sign and a very bullish sign. It has remained above the 21 EMA for about the last 3 to 4 weeks, which is a very good sign. And for you guys who don't know, what I determine as a bull market is when price of Bitcoin stays above the 21 and 34 EMAs. So as you can see here, the price of Bitcoin closed well above the 21 EMA, and it even engulfed the previous weekly candle, which means that the bulls have much more momentum right now. And so what do I see next? So for Q4 of 2021, I believe that Bitcoin would go above its prior high and would reach almost 100,000 end of year. That is my prediction. Right now what I see is price needs to break above the previous high of 53k to confirm that the bulls have strength and that the bull market is back. So we have to look out for the key level, which is 53k. I know you guys have heard about the ETF rumors about Bitcoin's ETF going to be approved in October, right? And so if this is true, these big whales, basically those who move the market, will probably know this first, and so they will definitely try to get it at a cheaper price. So don't be surprised if there is a dump, one last dump before the bull market returns. So what do I see? If there's an ETF that is going to be approved very soon, expect a small dump first, maybe back down to the 45k regions, which is very possible. And after that, if it remains on support at 45k, then we can see it going above the previous high at 53k and then aiming for 65k next. So that's what I see in the next few weeks to months. Moving on to my plans for the next 3 months, if the bull market continues, I will be actually going hard on NFTs in the month of October 1st, before taking my profits from NFTs and then investing in altcoins in November and December. Why am I doing this? Is because I believe that in October, Bitcoin is going to have a sudden push upwards, and this in return might affect slightly the altcoins prices as Bitcoin's dominance will rise. Thus, when Bitcoin dominance rise, usually the price of altcoins would dump a little first because more money is flowing to Bitcoin. And what's next? That's the next part is where I would love to invest back in altcoins. That is when Bitcoin stabilizes, the Bitcoin dominance chart goes lower, and that is where I want to get into altcoins. And that period I'm predicting is around late October to November, after Bitcoin has makes its huge move upwards. And so right now I'm investing hard on NFT projects. I'm researching so many projects right now and joining so many Discord groups, and you guys should do it too. I'll be sharing with you some projects that I am getting into the next few weeks and what do I think is interesting. Stay tuned. I forgot to mention why I'm so bullish on NFTs on the month of October. Well, this is because there are actually some huge drops that are coming in the month of October itself. And also TikTok mentioned that they are going to launch an NFT collection collaborating with Immutable X, And Immutable X is another thing, another layer 2 for NFTs, which I'll be sharing later. I'll share with you a drop that I bought in during the sale itself on Immutable X itself, but more of that on later. And yeah, with all these huge drops coming in October, it will definitely draw many new people into the space, and so I would love to get in on NFTs early in this month first. Okay guys, so this is the first NFT project that I want to talk about, and it is none other than Metaverse. I think most of you who are already in the NFT scene would know what is this project about, but basically it's a Gundam-like project, as you can see, and in the Discord it has over 100,000 members, and in just a short amount of time it blew up on Twitter first without even showing their roadmap or anything. It blew up already just because of the art itself. And so now what they are currently doing is a referral system. Basically everyone has an equal chance of minting one, but you are basically fighting against 100,000 people. Same as us, everyone wants to get at least one. And so the referral opens in 2 days, around there, yeah. So whoever is interested in the art or anything, whoever gets this, they will definitely make a huge amount of profit. So yeah guys, I encourage you guys to also just join in. Once the referral opens, just join in, try your luck. If you're able to get a placing, man, you're gonna earn so much money from just this drop alone. Look at the art. It looks super good, right guys? Even without a roadmap, just with the art itself, damn, anyone would want to have this. So yeah, that's the first project that I'm looking at. Moving on to another project called Cybermon. So this project I actually covered weeks back actually. So this was actually the first NFT project that I invested in back in July during the pre-sale, and it's finally going to launch its main sale on the 6th of October. It has some delays because due to a change in theme and the art style itself, so it has been delayed till now. But I already have about 12x at 0.075 pre-sale price, and whoever is interested, the main sale is 2 days later at 0.08 Ethereum. So as I covered before, the main thing why I wanted to get in is because look at the art. It's 3D, it's pretty, it stands out from the rest of the PFP projects, the normal PFP projects. And actually the Discord group is super nice to be in. I've been in there for the first few months when I just got into NFTs, and they taught me so much, and so I'm pretty grateful to the team, and so I decided to invest heavily in this project. As you can see here, look at all this. You can see the FAQs. So the roadmap I have already covered before. So pre-sale is done, the launch is in 2 days time, and then there's this alpha quest. So basically the grand prize, if you reach the alpha quest, you can get 25 Ethereum, second place 15 Ethereum, third place 5 Ethereum, and the last 6 places will receive 1 Ethereum each. So basically reaching the alpha evolution, you guys can read this more, you can read more about it. Yeah, basically it's the third evolution, the alpha level, and if you get it, you can get these prizes. The next project I'm going to be covering is CloneX of RTFKT. Basically, this RTFKT has already made many NFT collections and is pretty well known in the NFT space. Just looking at the website alone, it's so much more advanced compared to other projects. And they're gonna be releasing 20,000 avatars. I know that's a lot, but 10,000 will be for pre-sales. So those who have already invested in RTFKT's previous projects, they'll be able to join the pre-sale and mint one avatar for 0.05 Ethereum. But for those who do not have any pieces from their past collections, there will be 10,000 also allocated for public sale, and they're going to be doing a Dutch auction. So what Dutch auction means is they'll set the collection at a higher price first, maybe at, let's say, 1 Ethereum. As time goes by, maybe every hour they'll decrease the minting price by maybe 0.1 Ethereum. So every hour you'll be going down and down and down until it's sold out. So anyone can mint at any price, just whether you want to mint at a higher price or take the chance to wait for a lower price and then buy it. So yes, they haven't announced when they are releasing this project yet, but I'm keeping my eyes on it as the art is super good. So these are the pieces that if you have already owned one, you are eligible for the pre-sale. But these items are already very expensive, or above 10 Ethereum. So our best bet for those who don't have their past collections is just wait for their public sale, and hopefully we can get our hands on one. Good luck, guys. Okay, one project that I got in recently, just yesterday, is this project called Entities. So right now, I actually minted one yesterday, one multipass for 0.1 Ethereum, and there's only 4,000 of it. So what's this project about? Basically, this project is about launching generative NFT collections with no code required. So they handle the framework, and you actually just design the art itself, and you can import all the different art layers and everything of ERC-721 NFTs on chain without writing any code at all. They will do it for you. And also, that's not only that. The purpose of getting a multi-pass allows you to mint meta geckos. So basically, you can with one multi-pass you can mint 2 meta geckos for free, just with gas. And I believe that is going to be like a Genesis collection. So only those with multi-passes can get 2 meta geckos. And after that, they'll be launching this Founders DAO, basically launching a DAO where we can vote on governance, etc. And later on, they'll be releasing a ERC-720 coin. So this is something like a passive income kind of thing. If you know what cybercongs, they have a token called Banana, which holders can get. So same concept here. So I thought this project is pretty interesting, and the roadmap looks really stacked. And so I just aped in and got one, just to try it out. So yeah, guys, if you think that a project is very interesting to you and the utilities are awesome, just get one at least. So in the case where the project moons, at least you got one, right? The last project I want to cover is MetaSource. So this project got super hype because the word BAYC is involved, basically Bored Ape Yacht Club. So I think about half of the people that are in this Discord right now, with over the Discord group with over 131k members, I believe half of them thought that this project is created by the artists from the BAYC club, Bored Ape Yacht Club. But actually, it's just one guy from the Bored Ape Yacht Club, not the team itself. Well, the art actually looks super good, and I actually got onto the whitelist by inviting 15 people to the group. And so, unfortunately, the whitelist is already closed, but if you guys still want to try for the public sale, I think this project will do very well. The roadmap doesn't say much, but it's just mainly about the art itself. They're just giving away a car or a truck to one guy. Let's see the roadmap. Yeah, it's nothing much. They have plans to make a game, but not very soon, on November 30th. So yeah guys, if you're interested, hopefully you can get one in the public sale. If not, don't try to get it on secondary market. It's definitely going to be extreme price. So that's it from me. I mainly post a video on Mondays, 8:45 AM Eastern, and sometimes Friday same time as well. Do follow me on Twitter as I post what I'm getting into and news on the go on Twitter first before uploading on YouTube. So follow me with my link down below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button if you haven't already. If you want early calls on coins and more tips, click on the notification bell. And if you want to earn interest in the crypto, you can use Blockfi and receive up to $250. Link is in the description below. And as always, invest safe and smart. The markets are always here, but your capital may not. Peace.